Okay, have you ever tried to sneeze with your eyes open? Spoiler, your face will betray you. Seriously, try it next time. It's like your body just says, nope, we're shutting it down. But why? What's going on up there? Before I tell you what's actually happening in your brain, hit that like button if you've ever sneezed so hard you scared yourself, and subscribe if you want more weird body stuff. Here's the deal. Sneezing with your eyes open is possible, but super hard because your brain treats it like a reflex. When you sneeze, your brain likely sends a default safety signal to your eyelids to close. Why? Scientists aren't 100% sure, but it might be to protect your eyes from pressure, germs, or just because brains are weird. Next time you sneeze, try to beat the system.
Perfect.
Follow for more fun facts your body doesn't want you to know.